Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and today's episode is all about what's going on with International Mini Meet and the current state of things with the car crash and all that stuff. So to get started, let's just talk about where I'm at with that crash. I've had to disassemble quite a bit of stuff on the front end of my car on that right side. Basically everything was damaged up there. The ball joints were messed up, the diagonal tie rods, the lower control arm, the top arm, it's all toast. So had to get replacements for all of that, and that's all on the way. I don't know if I'm gonna have everything before I go to International Mini Meet. That's okay. It's not like I'm driving this car all the way over there. But we have gotten some of this stuff. A huge shout out to 7 Mini Parts. They got me these parts super quickly. After disassembling more stuff, I realized there's more things damaged, and I kind of ended up having to make a few different orders because I jumped the gun and ordered a lot of this stuff kind of early and quick because I wanted to get my car back on the road. But the guy who ran me off the road, I got in touch with the company. I sent all of the damage information to him, so hopefully he's gonna do the right thing and cover the cost of the car. I was extremely reasonable in the requests that I made from him, despite being pretty heated in the initial call I made to him. So we'll see how all that turns out. Hopefully there's no legal stuff that has to happen. It just, we work it out, and it's two guys who can find a solution. But we'll see about that. That's still kind of pending. Now, as far as the International Mini Meet goes, I am unbelievably excited for this trip. It's going to be super cool. For those of you who don't know, I am grouping up with a few of the mini YouTuber guys over in Manchester. So I am flying from here to JFK, which is New York, and then from JFK to Manchester. And from there I'll be meeting up with Alex Toon, Tom Shorrock, Alex Hart, William Murfitt, and then I'll probably be meeting up with a bunch of the other guys as we make our way down to International Mini Meet. For those of you who don't know, I will be driving Alex Toon's blue Mini, which I have been told has been American-fied, or they're doing something. They've got something planned for me, and I'm super, well, I'm a little nervous about it. I have no idea what to expect, but I'll be sure to share that with you guys once I land and get all that sorted out. I do want to mention that I will be getting a big sticker for the back of the car. It'll say Classic Mini DIY. So if you see the car on the road, parked anywhere, anything like that, grab a picture, tag me in it, and I'll get you free stickers if you can find me at International Mini Meet. I will have a lot of those with me. I am planning to give a lot out for free, so find me and you get some stickers. As far as the meet goes, the plans are pretty simple. I'm gonna be driving down from Manchester the day after we arrive. Once we get there, I'm staying in the Village Hotel. I camp enough while I'm here in the US, and when I'm traveling abroad, I like to be comfortable. So I picked up a hotel. Thankfully, it wasn't the one that burned down. And I will be at the event for most of the days, except Saturday. I'm gonna be going on a little drive with Dave Jaguar and all the other mini guys, and we're gonna go to the Haynes Museum, which should be pretty cool. And then Sunday, we are doing a meet and greet of all the mini YouTube guys who want to show up and hang out with all of us. So it's a Q&A, really informal, but you can come and meet us, talk questions, you know, do whatever you want. It's super informal, but it's going to be at the International Mini Meet. I don't have an official time yet. They haven't provided it to me, but it will be on Sunday. So if you're looking for a place that you definitely want to meet up with me, that would probably be the right place. And then I'll be heading back to the US after driving back to Manchester and peeling the stickers off of Alex Toon's car. So that's pretty much what's going on with the channel right now. I know that there's not a lot of videos coming out. I'm also working on the gearbox here, and I have to tell you guys, this has been the most frustrating gearbox build I've ever done, because every time I start going again, I realize I'm missing another part, and I don't like that. It's super annoying. Feel like I've ordered parts a million times thinking I've had everything, and then I don't. And then I don't. And then I don't again. So, anyway, I won't bore you guys with complaining. But that pretty much wraps up this episode. It was a quickie. I just wanted to tell you guys what's up. And I'm really trying to get at least one video done before I leave for International Mini Meet. Otherwise, you can find updates from the event on my Instagram. That's Classic Mini DIY 59. Or I will be posting videos here, but those will obviously be on a little delay because I'll be filming, editing, and then uploading. So, yeah. But anyway, until the next time, I guess enjoy those minis and motor on.